Hi, I'm Jeannie. I'm a volunteer at Eastlake Pet Orphanage, and we're celebrating National Cat Day and leading up to our pet fair on November the 12th by offering all of our 6-month-old kittens and adult cats for 1/2 the adoption donation. All our cats are hand-raised, loved, they're used to people. This little boy here is just melting into me. This is Lance. All of our cats here are ready for forever homes. They love people, they know how to play, and they're very adaptable. Come and meet these boys and girls. Find your new best friend. Yes, what a good boy. Oh my gosh, what a good Lance. He's my boy. Yes. Oh, he's a good buddy. Of course, he's got his back to you. Okay.